another beautiful day in Perth.
Wow, look at that sunrise. The HOELUX is going into the shop today, getting a bit of panel work done. If you saw that, probably didn't. I've dropped my car off at Bert Bennett. Now we're at Hertz. That's the car Hertz gave me. Sitting next to my other work car. She goes alright, eh? She's a ripper, right? Almost the end of the day. Just stopping off at PZP to check on Chris's car because we're getting a turbo put in the 370. This is Chris's new turbo undermount. Really low. Really tight. Go pretty mad. Heaps of cars here. They must be so busy. Custom barbecue. So this weekend we are super busy. We've got a lot on. We're moving, we have meetings, we have shoots, and it all starts tomorrow. My mum sent us some supplements a few days ago from a deer. They're energy shots, and it says perform. So we have decided that tomorrow will be a great day to try these little bad boys out. What's in these things, man? Vitamins and lots of stuff. Lots of good stuff. So we're going to try them out tomorrow, see if they help us perform better. Crafted in Utah, which is funny because we have a banner going off to Utah next week, hopefully. Shout out to that guy. So catch us in the morning where we will try out these
Shots.
energy performance shots.
See, we've got our new camera car.
The truck is full.
Oh, you suck at vlogging! All three vehicles are now heading to Inglewood. We have pretty much moved the others out. We've got a quick hour-ish to edit. 1:30 we have another house to look at, and then straight from there I'm dropping Jackie off to University at Garage 101 so he can film some more behind the scenes of their stuff. And then...
Shut up, mate, I'm editing.